fellow travelers! So this time we won't be reviewing hotels or villas or resorts. Instead, we're doing an activity that you can do in Ubud area, which is ATV riding. So there are quite several places where you could ride an ATV, but this time we got a recommendation from a friend to try Kuber Bali Adventure. The price for the ride is 500,000 rupiah for one person, or 750,000 rupiah for tandem, or for two people in one ride. But believe me, it will be a lot more fun riding the ATV by yourself. You don't have to be able to ride a bike to be able to ride the ATV. Before the journey, you can try and test it out before deciding whether you're riding it alone or tandem. My friend here couldn't ride a bike, but she managed to ride it very well. You will be prepared with a helmet and a pair of boots included in the price. My suggestion is to wear anything comfy that could cover you up, as it will be pretty dusty and kinda wet. First, we'll be taken to ride along the paddy fields, which is a fun, chill ride without anything challenging. After that, we'll be taken to the main attraction, which you will see very soon. Don't be afraid to be left behind or get stuck in the middle of nowhere, as there will always be two staffs from Kuber who keep track on you. This is the main attraction of the whole ride. We were taken to ride inside a large, beautiful cave in the middle of a forest with a flowing river inside the cave that leads to a beautiful, small waterfall. The whole ride took around 2 hours, so the price is worth every penny. Soon after the main attraction, we were taken back to the main office, where we will get our lunch, which is a simple Indonesian fried rice that is included in the price. We also have bathrooms and changing rooms with free towels provided if you want to clean yourself after the ride. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See ya!